How's it going? Today we are going to do a quick service on this Generac 2500 PSI pressure washer. It's going to change oil. Looks like I have a leaking valve cover gasket. I don't have the part for that, so I won't be able to fix that today. But anyways, figured I'd just change the oil and take you along with me. In case anyone doesn't know how to do it, it's super simple. Take maybe 10 minutes. So let's get started. Noticed this a while back. I haven't really had time to look at it. I don't know if it's just coming from this breather into here or if the gasket itself's bad. I'm just gonna guess the valve cover gasket's bad. I'll take that off after I drain the oil, take a better look at it, and then see what we need to order for parts. Otherwise, it's been a pretty good pressure washer. Just got it from Menards, nothing special. First thing that broke was this. It broke when it was frozen. That's my own fault. That's not the manufacturer or anything. But yeah, let's get the oil draining. Drain plug is located right here, 10 millimeter. So the only tools you'll need is a 10 millimeter wrench and something to catch the oil. So I don't have anything that'll fit in between, you know, the frame here. So I'm gonna make a quick catch can. Grab the old tin snips here. Seen people just bite the top of these off with their teeth, but I don't know about all that action. That should work. Catch can in place. Oh, jeez. That was tight. A little excessive there, Generac. Key is to get the oil in the bush light can. I got a feeling I'm gonna make a mess. Nice. Let that drain. As this can is filling, I just recalled it takes 20 fluid ounces of oil. This is a 12-ounce can. If you have a tall boy, that would be a lot better. Still be 4 ounces short probably. So I'm gonna find another can quick before this overflows. Just screw the bolt back in, empty the can and return. Also forgot to mention, if you remove the dipstick, there's one on each side, it'll flow better. I'm gonna flush a little bit of fresh oil through here until I see it come out there. Just using some Honda small engine oil. Also, if you don't have one of these, work on small engines. They are really nice. So I'll use a funnel that just screws on the top. You can stick it in there and good to go. There we go. I don't know if you can pick that up on camera, but nice golden engine oil. Only thing left to do is reinstall your drain plug and fill it up with appropriate oil, and then check your oil level. The engine oil being drained, I'm gonna pull this valve cover off, see what's going on. Right off the bat, this is extremely loose. At least those bottom, yeah, all of them. I don't know if they vibrated loose or maybe they didn't get torqued at the factory. Either way, I'll pull it off and check it out and then retorque it. You don't want to tighten it too much, but it should definitely be tighter than that. There's a gasket. Does not look that bad actually. And there's your valve. All right, we'll clean it up, look it over, and then torque it down. Then we'll just see if it seals itself back up or if I need to order a part. Looks fair. I'm just gonna reinstall it. Make sure you don't hit these with an impact. That's probably as tight as I want to go with those. We'll just fill it up with oil and then clean it all up with some brake cleaner and then keep it, kind of just keep an eye on it. It's not a big deal either way if it leaks or not. It's just kind of annoying. It gets a mess everywhere, under driveway and everywhere you go. It doesn't leak too much, but if it's broke, you should probably fix it. On a side note, if anyone is looking for a decent little garage heater, this is infrared John Deere. And got insulation in the roof and the walls, but it's been running maybe, I don't know, hour and a half or so. And it's at the point where I want to shut it off. Works pretty good, infrared, so it doesn't stink and heats up everything around the building. That concludes the oil change. Just gonna hose this down with some brake clean and we'll just see if it stops leaking or not. that helps somebody. If it helps one person, it's worth it.